We're going to show you how to download songs and music directly from SoundCloud. If this video helps you out, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. So let's say there's a track or song on SoundCloud that you really enjoy and you'd like to download it, whether to listen offline or just keep it on your computer. To do that, the first thing you need to do is locate the track on SoundCloud. For this example, I'm searching for a song called Retreat. Once you've typed it in, scroll down to find the exact one you're after. There are a few ways to download depending on the track. In this case, for the song we found, just scroll below it and you'll see a row of icons. Head over to the right and click on More. If a download is available, you'll see the download file option. If that button appears, simply click it and the download will begin. Just like that, the file is now on your device and you can locate it using your file explorer. Now let's look at another method. Here's a different track I want to download. When I click More, the download option isn't there, but if I open the track and check out the details or description, the artist might have shared a direct download link. So all you need to do is click the link in the description, hit download, and it will begin saving to your computer. Keep in mind though, not every artist includes a download link or allows downloads for their music.